On the darkest days, you bring the light. When I'm feeling low, you make it right. Through the ups and downs, you're always near.
Hey guys, it's Ruby
And Firecracker here.
and as you can see we are in the car, and that's because we're going to be doing a behind the scenes of an upcoming video.
This video is going to be fireworks shopping and fireworks themed.
So yeah, that explains why we are in the car right now, because we are on our way to go look for fireworks.
Also, sorry if it's hard for you guys to hear us.
Yeah, it's a little loud. So yeah. Right now we are 35 minutes into the drive. Well, like there's 35 minutes left till we get to the fireworks shop. So yeah, we're just gonna vlog our little ride. Alright guys, so we have arrived. Let's go pick out some fireworks. Alright guys, so we're going to the So guys, we found these awesome cars. Also, there's a lot of people here, so yeah.
There's no coffee and there's a pretty good selection here.
So guys, I'm just looking around at some fireworks. And firecrackers over there.
Hi.
Yeah.
There's lots of people here, so we might not get that much footage, but
We'll talk more in the car.
Yeah.
Let's go continue. We have left the store and going back to the car now. So guys, as you can see, we didn't film as much in there just because it was a little awkward.
also it was really loud and crowded, so
This was the best footage we could get for you guys, but now it is time to head home, and yeah.
although they did have a really good selection, lots of fireworks there.
Yip-a-doo-doo-boo. Yeah. These are all the fireworks we got, by the way. Yeah.